This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix feature image appearing twice in WordPress post. Fixing the duplicate featured image in WordPress blog post is really very easy process. Simply open the post editor where the image appears twice and delete the image inside the post editor. So click on the image and click on this three dot and here click on delete and select the post option and here make sure to add the feature image. Now click on update and now I'm going to reloading my post and as you can see the problem has been fixed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.